What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rish, Rish Media, Chris, Christian, whatever you like to call me, but you know it's Rish. I want to introduce you guys our new shirts. Rish, something simple, clean, right in the middle. We have from sizes small to 3XL. Another thing I want to introduce is how to go buy all our products, like all our stickers right here and right here. See on the screen, we have a lot of variety. Same with the shirts, we're trying to incorporate more. If you guys want it, you could pre-order and we could get it made and ship it out to you type of thing. How to see all our products, how to book photo shoots or video shoots. You can check out our new website at rish.shop. Simple, rish.shop, simple website. Still like in the works, you know, changing things here and there a little bit. Yeah, we got our website out now, you know. We have our Rish LLC, we're a business in CT now, which is really lit. You know, we have our sales permit and all that, so big moves with the brand. You know, we're moving up, trying to keep the motivation going even with all the bullshit going on. But yeah, so if you want to cop this shirt, go to rish.shop. We have still the original Rish hoodies, but I know it's summertime. But go check it out. Mad stickers to choose from. If you want some stickers, you can buy it from there too. Go check out the inventory. There's gonna be a lot more coming, and if you want to book a photo shoot, go there too. Go check out the website. The link is gonna be in the description. Another thing is a little update with the TSX. Sadly, fucking totaled $6,000 in like damages. So if you guys have me on Instagram or Facebook, you see the video we posted. You know, a little clip right here.
That is him. That is him.
Is that him?
Before you say anything,
him?
let me see.
Is it him?
It is him. It is him.
Is that him?
That is him. That is him.
You? That's you, buddy?
That's you.
Hey, call 911. Call 911. Call 911.
Now that you've seen what kind of happened, it was a really fucking crazy situation. Dude was insane. That same day, I just got my alignment done. I just got my wheels balanced, my rear tires on. The car was feeling great again. Like, it was feeling smooth. Just got my whole master cylinder done, slave. I just put in my insane shaft axles. Then, you know, it got totaled. So if you guys want to know exactly what happened kind of thing, I will give you like a brief explanation and everything. So I was at the store in South Windsor, and you know, with whole COVID, things take a lot longer to get in and out. The whole 10-15 minutes I was in there, this whole weirdo walked up to the car, was staring at my girlfriend, started being weird, so she, you know, put down the window, asked like, what the hell are you doing type of thing, like, why are you being weird? And dude just started winning, you know, he went nuts.
For what? What the fuck did I say to you?
I don't know. You got all busy at me. You be crying, honey. Get your man. Get your fucking man.
That's why you need some weed, right? That's why you need some weed, right?
You condescending little fucking cunt.
Look at Facebook.
You go fuck yourself.
Look at him.
Yeah, the dude was long gone. There was other people around making sure my girl was good, and like I made sure that guy, you know, left and everything. Then I was on my way to Hartford, so I'm going down East Hartford Route 5 or whatever, and I get to Connecticut Boulevard where those on-ramps are, you know, to go on to Hartford, where I usually go. And I'm turning onto the thing, and I happen to see this fucking dude sitting at the red light. So I pulled up, I got out my car, I was like, yo, this is you, man? So I punched his passenger window one time, and that's all it took for this dude to lose his fucking mind again. Jump his Tundra or Tacoma or whatever the fuck it was up in front of my car, revved it, slammed it in fucking reverse, and smashed my car. He pushed it like 50 to 100 feet back with my e-brake up. After that, we're like recording the whole thing, obviously, and we're like on the side, on the grass, like behind the curb and everything, the sidewalk and all that. This guy goes to run us over, then like the curb and all that, that shit just like helped us, that saved our lives or something, I don't know. We just thought we were gonna get hit by this dude. It could have been worse than what it was, honestly. Like, we could have been hurt in the hospital or, you know, even worse than that. So we're just thankful and blessed that it wasn't worse than what it was. It was just a car that sucks, but you know, shit could get replaced. It really sucks that I didn't get the chance to push the car as far as I wanted it to. I have all these parts that are sitting that I haven't gotten to use, like a Honda and the RBC manifold and all that, sitting right now at a shop, all smashed in right now. I'm still waiting for insurance, readjust my value pricing because they sent me a quote and it was just way too low. We're still working with this case, trying to see what we could do with it. We got an update that guy is going to get arrested again by South Windsor PD. Another arrest warrant for my girl's situation, which we're really happy about because this guy got arrested that night. After trying to hit us, he took off and went to his house in Enfield. Sorry, dog in the back. Acted like nothing happened. Then in the mugshot, this dude looked like he was fucking out of it, like coked out, drugged, whatever the hell he was. He got out with no bond to pay, nothing. He just has to go back to court. Now, this morning finally got an email saying that South Windsor PD is having another arrest for him because of what happened with my girl's situation at first. Yeah guys, but on the brighter side, we did pick up a 2010 Honda Civic, a new daily for my girlfriend. In the meantime, I'm gonna be driving it until we figure out my car situation. I'm still, I gotta get my money together and from insurance and sell off some things and part out the TSX with what parts I just put in and I can replace and whatnot. And so what's going on with the TSX is just sitting at a shop right now, all smashed in, waiting for the insurance and stuff. Just take off parts what I just put on and replace it with the old ones. Probably gonna sell off the shell and tranny and motor together because I don't feel like, taking all that apart. Like, it's too much work for me right now. I just wanna get my money right, and hop in a new whip eventually. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should hop in next. Stay with the Honda, go with the German, guess on JDM, whatever, just let me know. But I'm gonna give you guys a little hint of what I'm kind of steering towards. It is a Honda, and it does have a drop top. So if that doesn't give you an idea, then you don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, let me know in the comments. If you guys know, then you know. It's an S2000, guys. It's a fucking S2000. Yes, I really want an S2000 rear-wheel drive. So yes, guys, if you didn't know, rear-wheel drive, drop top, I want an S2000. That's really what I want to end up getting. It's been a dream car for a while now. I'm gonna stay with a Honda. It's something I know around, and they're fun-ass cars. And if I need a daily something, I have my girl's car. That's really what I want to hop into. But let me know in the comments what you guys want to, what you guys would like to see. Rest in peace in the comments for the TSX. I'll let you guys know with more updates and probably do like part out videos or whatnot. But yeah, that's kind of like the end of it with the TSX, the end of the days of working on it and banging them gears. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Look at that Smith Law.
Don't forget to put your orders in. Rish.shop, you already know. We got you. I'm wearing a size medium because I like the bulkier shirts.
This is a large. Cop it at Rish.shop. Simple. Rish.shop. Easy as can be. Can't forget it. Go cop it. Peace.